have a summer makeup tutorial for you, and let me say that in the summer I don't do like full face makeup unless I'm going out anywhere because it's too freaking hot. I don't want that many layers on my skin. I just want it to be fresh and natural and just easy breezy and not super like tedious or time consuming at all. So if you want to see my little summer fast makeup look, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm totally going to time myself to like see how long it takes, and I'm going to try to be fast in mentioning the products so that you can see, but it shouldn't take that long even with me talking about the products. So I'm going to hit start now and we'll see how long it takes me. So the first thing I've been using this summer is the RIMMEL BB cream with light medium in the shade light medium. It's a beauty balm. It looks like this. I've done a full video on it. Of like the wear time and everything, and I'm just gonna put some on my fingertips and blend that on my face. Use my mirror to like really see what I'm doing, but it gives like the perfect amount of coverage for me in the summer, and I absolutely love it. Okay, next up I do the brows, and what I have here is the e.l.f. brow pencil. I just had this in my last 5 first impressions, and I've been using it non-stop every day because I love it so much. It's so easy to use, and it just fills it in. It's like the perfect color, and I don't have to worry about finding like the little brush with my other brow products because I usually use brow pomades. This one feels like a brow pomade, but in stick form, so it's easy and travel friendly, and I'm obsessed with it, and it's really, 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 really inexpensive. And again, this is just like to get out the door, not really to, you know, be perfect. You just want to be more put together than you were when you woke up and enjoy yourself in the summer. Then I'm going into my Wet n Wild palette. It looks like this. This is their Not a Basic Peach palette, and all I've been doing is basically taking this shimmer shade right here. It's the one that I've used the most in this palette, but with my finger I just apply that all over the lid. That's like literally all I've been doing because it's just such a pretty shade, and it's like perfect for summer. And one swipe like goes a long way for both eyes. Then I just apply mascara, and I use the Le Chick Flick waterproof mascara from NYX. This one right here, and apply that all over my lashes. I haven't been doing eyeliner unless I'm like really getting dressed up. Just because it tends to get like too hot, and then I just feel like it's super messy. It gets on the creases normally after a while, and there's just no need for it. I want to get out the door, and eyeliner takes a while. Brows already take enough time. Then I usually just swipe away like all that excess glitter that fell, and then I do my concealer, which is this e.l.f. color correcting stick, and mine's in the shade, it's Correct Dark Circles for Light Skin Tones. It's beat to death, like, because I've been using it like crazy. Another good e.l.f. find. And this just cancels out my dark circles, and I could do this stuff way faster when I'm not like talking. just to let y'all know. With a different finger that I didn't put my eyeshadow with, I just blend that out. I just noticed that I had mascara here. It's easy to clean up though. And then on top of that, I use the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Light. It's their liquid concealer. And just apply that on top of it, since that's like a salmony color. I just want to brighten things up and make it stay put. And the combo has been working well for me. It feels lightweight. It doesn't irritate my under eyes ever. And it just brightens it up a lot. And then I just stay away from putting stuff underneath my eye if I'm not going out anywhere, just because I do have really bad allergies, and with all the flowers and all that stuff around in the summertime, I feel like I wipe under my eyes a lot, or like my eyes get really watery, and I just don't want the mess ever. But you can add whatever you want to. Then I bronze up my face with the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer with SPF 15. It's in the shade Ticket to Brazil. Mine is beat up again because I've been using it like crazy since I got it, but this is the shade. And then I kind of like contour and bronze my face with this really, really fast. So everywhere you typically would, I just apply it to bronze up my face, because I've gone to the beach several times and I've gone to the pool, but for some reason this summer I haven't tanned very easily. I've burned, I don't know, my skin's changed. Even being Hispanic, it's not working for me. And see, I have like blemishes, but they're not bothering me because in the heat it's just gonna go away later. But if I decide I want more coverage, I can always like add the concealer to the spot, which I'll do just to show you. The e.l.f. does pretty well over top of blemishes real fast. It just adds a little bit extra coverage and just looks better. And then I add my highlight, which I use the Wet n Wild MEGAGLO highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. Looks like this, and that's the shade right there. This is by far my favorite highlight shade on my skin tone. I just love it. So I just add that sheen to my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, and on my lip. And then, last but not least, I take my e.l.f. palette. This is in the shade Bronzed Peach. Looks like this on the outside, and it's their contour and blush duo. The contour right now is too dark for me, so if I get any tanner I'll use it, but I like the pop of pink. It's just this peachy pretty pink, and you could pack it on to be brighter. I just kind of do it to my liking. And that's pretty much it. I might use a setting powder if I have time. I should usually use a setting powder, but all in all, this stays on my face pretty well, so I don't really use it. So the last one, and it's also really janky, it's this e.l.f. Jumbo Lip Gloss Stick in this shade Pink Umbrellas. Looks like this, and this is what I've been using because it feels like a chapstick, and it's a pretty fun summer color. And it just brightens up my whole face. Oh, and by the way, it only took me 11 minutes and 24 seconds to film this entire video from start to finish, and I was talking, so probably I would say about 8 minutes without talking, maybe, is how long it takes me. So really, really fast. So just putting it out there just to show you. Simple, easy, and I can't believe I almost forgot the lip product. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys are enjoying your summer, and yeah, that's everything. Love you guys. Bye!